Hello, guys. You're welcome to Crypto Space. I am Austin. Today, we're going to be looking at Bitcoin. As you can see, the market is down. Everywhere is red. There seems to be no sign of much green like it used to be on a very green day. Well, if you're new to this channel, kindly smash the like and the subscribe button. It does help me a lot. If you're a returning subscriber, thank you for coming around. You rock. Well, let's go right straight into the analysis of Bitcoin. Let's see what the market cap is right now. Now the market cap has dropped. Yes, it dropped. What this wasn't the market cap yesterday. The market cap has dropped to 379.35 billion with a 24 volume of 24.73 billion, and it's probably still going to drop. But we're going to look at the chart and look at and see the analysis and see what is actually happening right now. You can see that Bitcoin got its all-time high for the day at 2641. See, this green point here 2641, and then it is currently trading at this value right now 19839. Now, we're still very much going to see where the trade is going to end today at the end of the day. But before then, let's look at the analysis and see what is happening to Bitcoin at the moment because it is not doing so great. The market is being tested. The strength of the market is being strongly tested right now by traders and the investors. Now, if you've noticed, the market is building a resistance around 20,000 and 19,000. Now follow my mouse pointer, follow my cursor. The market is building a resistance around 19,000 and then 20,000, and that resistance is what is being tested currently. But if by any chance Bitcoin comes as low as 18,000, if by any chance Bitcoin comes down as low as 18,000, it's definitely going to crash down to 16,000. 16,000, yes. But if the market is able to soar much more above 23,000, then we're looking at a bullish run to about 25,000, which might not be sustainable, which will not be sustained because a lot of investors are very much skeptical and the market is very much unsteady. The market is definitely going to push down back to about 20,000 when it gets to 25,000. Yes, most certain. But what is certain is if it gets higher than 23 right now, it's definitely going to push up to 25,000. And then eventually, if it falls down below 18,000 currently now, it is going to push down to about 16, 17,000. It has seen 17,000, but it hasn't seen 16,000. But we're still very much skeptical about the movements of the market and how the trends are going right now. But if you check, you're going to see that the volume of the market has dropped and the market capitalization has dropped so far. So the big whales are actually waiting for the perfect time to come into the market to buy right now. And the perfect time to actually buy right now is to actually buy when it's down. But like I said, this is not a financial advice. I'm not a financial advisor. I'm just a guy in his own space saying what he knows based on what he has studied so far. But if you want to go into this market like this, like I always suggest, you have to dollar cost average. Do your dollar cost averaging, then get into the market. Of course, with your proper research. But one thing for sure is the market is definitely going to hit 17, 16,000 if it gets below if it gets to 18,000. Let's not pretend like it's not going to get to this point. Yes, let's not pretend like it's not going to get to this particular point here. It definitely will get to this particular point if it crosses the 19,000 dollar resistance, because the support and the resistance is building right now. It's around is between 19 and 20,000 dollars. If it beats below that, it's crashing down to this point. So let's not pretend like it's not going to get here if it beats that point. It's definitely getting here, and investors should be ready for what is coming right now. Well, I see Bitcoin going up to about $40,000 this year. Yes, it still can do it, but Bitcoin is not seeing its all-time high this year, not anytime soon, because Bitcoin pretty much has suffered so much this year. The crypto economy has suffered so much this year. Yes, starting from the Russia and Ukraine invasion, followed by the massive sellout that caused USDT to the peg, which is a Terra Luna Terra Luna stable coin to the peg, and then it fell below a dollar mark. And after then, the inflation and all that and all those economic factors also made the market crash much more than it is right now. If you look at the how the chart has been so far, you can see that it is continually sloping down. It is continually sloping down, but we're very, very much hopeful that it's going to come up. It is going to come up, so investors can record as much profit as they can. But right now, the market is still crashing and is very much crashing. But like I said, if you're going to be trading in the market right now, you should dollar cost average. Dollar cost average saves you from the long time you'll have to wait to take profit, because if you had bought at a very high point earlier and then when it gets down you bought again, you're probably going to be bridging the gap in between your profit point. So you're going to be getting profit earlier than when you're supposed to get it if you had waited for the markets to actually recover to where you want it to be, to where you actually want to take profit. You wait a longer time. But if you dollar cost average, you're going to be getting your profits in no time. Well, if you like this content, kindly smash the like and the subscribe button. It does help me a whole lot. And also turn on the post notification, because that will let you know when I make a new video, and then you can follow up. Thank you for sticking around. I am Austin and this is Crypto Space.